reptiles, all kind of reptiles. There's one over there. That's a crocodile. There's one in this one too, but you can't really see it. Ooh. People have snakes. Oh. This is a ball python. Golden Tigu. Oh, there's two of them. You see that tongue? Oh! Yeah. It's pretty in there. Nobody's gonna eat them. It's got a tag on. The chickens. Look at that. And people do goat yoga, you know, where these things walk all over them. But what if they jump over the gates? Oh my God. They can jump, you know. Right? If it jumps over the gate and jump on me. Ah. But just once in a while there's a little breeze. Other than that, it's fine. This is gorgeous. Amazing. Oh, here's the lions. That's a glistening. Not tease, taunt, scream at or stone the lions. Do you see anything? Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God, that thing is big. That's the male? Wow. Donkeys. what kind of donkeys these are. Oh no, these are miniature horses. My apologies. These are horses. They're just miniatures. Okay. Turkey. Oh, look at the wild hog. You see it? Turkey and wild hog. All the way over there. Pig. Not cooked pigs. Oh, pork. So delish. Look at the ostrich. Oh my God, you see that big one? Wow. Oh my. Thing is huge. Ostrich and emus. Babe, look at that. Ooh, way. And it's not even standing straight up. You see it? That can probably climb over the fence. Yeah, that's what I was showing you. Yeah, that's what I... No, I didn't even see that. Well, I'm gonna send all of these to you. Oh no, I know. It's okay. I got you. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Them something you're big. Did we see camels when we went to, was it New Jersey? When we went to that safari thing? I don't think we did. I think we saw giraffes. Oh, wow. Look at how big this thing is.
Glittering whites and shooting comets, milky beds.
at it.
Things in there. Some clothes.
Wow. Oh, we just saw some beautiful animals. Those big old camels. See, they go right there behind us. Right there. Beautiful. Gorgeous creatures. I hope this is dirt and not poop on the floor right here. Oh, no, I think it's just dirt. All right, what's this over here in this cage? Let's venture on. So let's go this way. Oh, this was the way we came. Cause that was the that's the alligator, right? No, the crocodile. And we saw those birds over there. It's really nice. The trees are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Planet.